Good morning, Tahmeenakhan is here in TKMaths is fun. In today's video, we will see the concept of changing the subject in indices, which is usually taught in year 9. In some school, it is taught in year 8 also. So let's begin with this. So first question is, you can see here, the subject is given here A, and you have to make X a subject. So X and 2 pi plus Y, which is in bracket, are multiplying. So when two terms multiply, for example, if I write here this thing, so one of the term can cross multiply and it becomes 4 upon 2. So the same concept we will apply here, and we will take 2 pi plus Y in the denominator of A. So it will become A divided by 2 pi plus Y equals to X square. I have to make X a subject, so to get rid of square, I will take square root on both sides, right? So you always write plus minus with that. This cancels out. Now why it cancels out? Let me explain it to you. Square root sign, whenever is removed, it is changed into index form as a power half. So when you have x square here, this square cancels with this half. Why? Because 2 times half is 1. So that's why this side I will have x now, and this side I will have square root of A divided by 2 pi plus Y. Okay, let's see this question. M is a subject and you have to make X the subject. Now, be careful here. In the previous case, the terms were multiplying. Here it is within the square root, and there is a term which is adding also with this. So first of all, whenever there is addition or subtraction, we can take the term to the other side. The sign of 2p is plus. When there is no sign, it means it is plus. So I can write m minus 2p equals to root x plus y. I have to take x out of the square root symbol. So to remove that, we will do what? We will take square on both sides. When you will take a square on both sides, this cancels it, and you are left with x over y. And left hand side you have m minus 2p whole square. Now you can cross multiply. Y can go here. It will become y times bracket m minus 2p whole square equals to x. So this is how you have make x a subject. Let's see this one. In this equation where v is a subject, question is saying make r a subject. You see r is present here. So this question is little different. It is saying there is an error you have to identify. So if you see the next line, what should actually happen here? This 4 should go here in multiplication. This 4 should come here in denominator. Whereas this is not happening. So this is the error here, right? So now if I solve it correctly, what will I do? I will cross multiply. So 3 will go in the numerator from the denominator, and 4 from the numerator will go on the other side in the denominator. And you will have pi r cube. Now you have to make r a subject. So you need to get rid of this pi also from this side. Because these two are multiplying, so pi will also go down here. I just told you if there is plus minus, then it goes on the other side with opposite sign. So right now it is this. Now to remove cube from r, I will do what? I will take cube on both sides. Okay, so cube root, sorry, not cube. So like this is called cube root. So when I will take cube root on both sides, it will become this. And you know, cube root in indices, it means 1 over 3. So when you have the term with cube and it is cube root, it cancels out. Do you know why? See here. I have r cube and this cube root means 1 over 3. So this cancels out and you are left with r is equals to cube root of 3v over 4 pi. Right? You don't need to worry about this. Leave it. Look at this indices question. It is, I'm just writing little big. It is 36 x power 16 overall power half. Now it has 36 here and x power 16. 36 has power 1. When no power, it is 1. So this half will multiply by 1, half will multiply by 16. So it will become 36 power half, x power 16 times half. So this will become 8. But you know what is the meaning of 36 half? It means square root of 36. And 36 is a perfect square. So answer is 6. So it will be 6 x power 8. Okay. Let's see this question. You see these are multiplying. Then there is plus sign. Multiplying is equals to this. So basically left hand side where you have AB is equals to the right hand side where you have C. So if I see here, question is saying express C in terms of A and B. So if I see from here and here, what is common? Can you notice 10 power 6 is common? Because from this side, if I see 7 is actually 6 plus 1. And you know that in law of indices, this thing is equals to this, right? When base is same, powers are different and there's multiplication. So if I take 10 power 6 common out, then from this side A will be left and 10 power 1 will be left. Then this plus sign and B. This 10 power 6 has gone out as a common factor, right? And the right hand side you have C into 10 power 6. Now both sides you have 10 power 6. Bracket means now they are multiplying. The terms are multiplying. So I can cancel here also, but let me take it down on the other side. It is in the numerator. On the other side it will go in the denominator. So this thing is 10A plus B is equals to C times 10 power 6 over 10 power 6. Cancels out. And what you are left with, C is equals to 10A plus B. Right? Makes sense? When question says C in terms of A and B, it means C is a subject. Let's see next question. You have P a subject. Okay, right now you have P a subject and you have to make R a subject. R is present in this term. So let it be here. The other term is adding, so it will go to the other side. When it is multiplying, we do cross multiplication. The sign of 2R is plus, so when it will come to the other side, it will become minus 2R. And P will remain plus. Now pi R are multiplying. I want R, so I need to remove pi from here. It will go on the other side in the denominator. So it will become minus 2R. Or let me write P first because plus symbol we usually write first. It's not wrong if you write other way around, but it's okay. So your R is P minus 2R over pi. Make sense? Now let's see this one. Again, question is saying write all of this in the form of 2 power something. 2 power n. N will be some number. We will figure it out. Now the first term 2 power 8 is fine. Let me write as it is. But 8 power 2. I have to make base 2 according to the question. So I know 8 is equals to 2 power 3. Yes or no? So instead of 8, I will write 2 power 3 and outside the power will remain same, which is 2. Similarly, 4 can be written as 2 power 2. And this power of minus 2 I will keep as it is. Okay. Now, according to law of indices, when you have power on index number, so these powers multiply and it become a power n times m. Okay, let me remove all this. It is looking dirty now. Okay, so now I will do one more step. I don't want to do directly. So 3 2s are 6. Okay, these powers will multiply and they will also multiply. Minus 4, 2 2s are 4. Now if you notice, all the bases are same. 2, 2, 2. So when bases are same and there is multiplication, we add the powers. So it will become 2 power 8 plus 6 plus minus 4. This will become 2. 8 plus 6 is 14. Plus minus is minus 4. So it is 2 power 10. 14 minus 4 is 10. And other side you have 2 power n. So basically your n is what? 10. So you have changed the whole question into this form. So you can write here 2 power 10. If question has asked here in other way, okay, what is the value of n? So you could say n is equals to 10. But right now you don't need to. Right, so thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it has made little clarification on indices. So please share and subscribe to encourage me. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.